Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting WhatsApp for your PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. While WhatsApp will work on a PC, it will only work if you are logged in to a WhatsApp account on your phone already. On your PC, open up a web browser and go to whatsapp.com. Click on the download button from the top menu. Now select Download for Windows. Launch the file once it's been downloaded and WhatsApp will start. Now you need to open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the menu button and then choose WhatsApp Web. You will then need to scan the QR code on the PC to sync the two apps. Once that's done, you'll be able to use WhatsApp on your PC like normal. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.